Alright, the last thing we want to do, we've got the mouth connected, working correctly. I put these two blocks on here temporarily so I can attach my ears, and by using the block they don't slide on me. And I've marked where I want them to go. So I've got a screw, and we're going to put some glue on it, because just glue alone, it might, if you bump it, it might break it loose. So by putting glue and a screw, I haven't had a problem with them coming loose on me at all. Get that situated where we want it. That's one. That's good. So we'll turn it around and do the other side. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. Get that where we want it. It's not quite long enough. We'll just bore this hole out a little more. This again. There we go. Now we have our ears on. What we'll do is I'm going to let this set up and dry. You inset these so when we coat the head, we can cover these holes. The same with this down here. We'll cover it with putty. So everything's working good. So we're going to let it dry, and then we'll give it a final sanding with our palm sander, and then we'll be ready to seal it. Thanks for watching.